Hey, what's up, my beautiful people? It's your boy Devo, so motivational, back with another day trading spy recap. Today's a good one. Another live trade. I thought I would just hop on here and show you guys what I'm doing, as well as it's getting late and I'm about to have to go to work. Believe it or not, this is not my full-time job. I actually have a job, and so I just want to get on here. My take profit is these equal lows right here. I got in right around this candle right here on the 5 minute chart, filled this gap right here, and I seen we were breaking down. We have a bunch of equal lows down here. And earlier on in the day, I took a trade to the downside. We got stopped out. I'll show you real quick where my first trade was. I wanted these lows. We had got bought back up, equal lows. My stop loss was at the top of this right here, and I got in right around the middle of this, um, middle of this candle right here. Rushed that trade because I was more of in my 1 minute because I thought we were just gonna fall. I seen what 5 minute was doing, but in my 1 minute, I seen us get a gap in. Let's just go to the 1 minute real quick, and yeah, so right around here is where we took that trade. Because we hit this 1 minute fair value gap as well, touching the bottom of this trend. So I thought we were just gonna fall, break this low as well as equal lows, but we didn't. We got stopped out because my stop loss was up here. We got stopped out and price was running. Now price started falling again, breaking down. It came down and then it tried to create another higher high, right? Because this tried to be a pullback and create a higher high. Didn't do that. Broke back down, and I was in my 5 minute for this one. I didn't even look at my 1 minute, honestly, and I got in right around here. This candle right here, 588.75, that filled that right there with my stop loss at the top of this wick that touched this strength candle right here, right? My stop loss was on the top of that wick. We played around. We almost stopped me out. I gave it a little room. We almost stopped me out, but we wicked, broke down, and I was up about $100 on the trade. I had two contracts. I was up about $100 on the trade, but I have real strong conviction in these equal lows right here. Um, I have real strong conviction in these equal lows, and I still do. Why? I'll get into that. So I have real strong conviction in these equal lows. So that's why I stayed in the trade, even though I was like, man, I'm up $100. I'm up 36% on my contracts. I could just close it out, be up $100. I lost $94 on that first trade, but I could be up, probably like $20 on the week, and then overall on the week, I mean $20 on the day, and overall on the week, I'd be up about $150. I was like, no, I have real strong conviction in these equal lows right here, right? And then so that's why I stayed in, is because it came all the way back up, and I was negative a little bit of money right here. Even though I got up here, I was still negative a little bit, probably about $20 up here. But we stayed in, and it's breaking down again. It might get more play, but I'm hoping. I'm hoping it breaks down, and I'm able to give y'all another live trade, basically, right? Because I'm in the trade right now, so I'm just hoping it breaks down. I can give you guys another live reaction. If it comes up, stops me out, you guys will see me cry on camera, okay? Because I was up $100. So if it comes up, stops me out, I'd be pretty sad, pretty mad and sad, right? And so let's go into the data we have today. Coming into the day, we had some pretty important data. I don't know why it always does that, but okay. So we have pretty important data. We had PCE, price index, personal spending, month on month, core PCE, and everything came out pretty forecasted. So forecasted PCE price index came out. Well, the forecast was 0.2, consensus was 0.1. It came out 0.1. Personal income month on month and personal spending month on month actually came in better than expected. The personal income month on month, personal spending month on month came in as consensus. So everything was coming in pretty good. PCE price index came in as consensus. PCE price index year after year came in 0.1%, so actually a little better than expected. Core PCE price index year after year came in as expected. So everything was pretty good. We had some, pretty good data, and it's breaking up right now. God dang it, man. I just want this thing to fall because I know it will take these equal lows. I'm not sure when, but I'm hoping right now, honestly. Because it's really stressing me out, honestly. Because I was, like I said, I was up over $100 right here, but started coming up, and back down here, I was probably up about $90 again. And as I'm on the video, you see it breaking back up. And right now, I'm probably negative some money right now. Let me check for you guys just to give you guys. So right now, I'm minus $6. As you guys see. I'm minus $6 on the trade right now. I don't know if you guys can see it exact, but that's still pretty maddening that I'm minus $6 right now because I was up $100, and because even if normally minus $6 on the trade isn't very bad, but I already lost $94 on the first trade, so it's minus $100 on the day, and you don't really want to lose money, right? Because on this week I was up. I would have been up $260, but I took that bad Nvidia gamble. It didn't pay off. It was risky. It was stupid of me. I've learned, and that burned me minus $140. So really, I'm minus up about $129, $125, just rounded up, $125, $130, and then I'm about to lose. If I lose, I'm minus another probably $120, $130. So really, it'd be about break even on the week if I lose this trade, right? And honestly, if it comes up and stops me out, that'd probably be even more than that. So we'll see. We'll see what goes on. Hopefully, it does break down, take out these lows. So real quick, we had earnings yesterday. As you guys know, we had Costco earnings. If I refresh it, it's not gonna show what Costco earnings were, but I believe they didn't. Let me just refresh it because I don't want to just guess. Okay, man, whatever. Costco earnings, didn't really move the market too much. So Costco earnings, whatever. I think they did actually not as good, but I don't think that really moved the market. But what moving the market is okay. So remember yesterday how I told you guys Trump's tariffs got paused because of the court? Well, he appealed those tariffs, and then they made a pause on the pause, right? So Trump's tariffs can continue for now. Appeal court rules. Federal Court of Appeals granted the Justice Department a request Thursday to stay the decision that halted many of President Donald Trump's recently imposed tariffs. If the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit had not stayed the ruling, the administration has said it planned to go to the Supreme Court on Friday to ask for emergency relief. During a briefing Thursday, White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt derided the decision halting tariffs as judicial overreach and said it was part of a troubling and dangerous trend of unelected judges inserting themselves into the presidential decision-making process. So basically, through all of that, they just paused the pause, and so the tariffs are still on. As well as yesterday, Trump called Jerome Powell, the Fed, Jerome Powell, to the White House to discuss interest rates. And so let me just read this. President Donald Trump called Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell to the White House on Thursday for their first face-to-face meeting since he took office in January, and told the central bank chief he was making a mistake by not lowering interest rates. Both the White House and Fed confirmed the two met at the president's invitation, renewing a fractious relationship in which Trump has repeatedly berated Powell for not cutting rates as the president's desires. So during that talk, let me see if it's going to say, okay, it says Chair Powell did not discuss his expectations for monetary policy, the Fed said in a statement after the meeting, except to stress that the path of policy would depend entirely on incoming economic information and what that means for the outlook. So he told Trump he was not getting into the politics. He was not going to just cut rates because Trump wanted him to. He said he was going to be looking at the data and as he said, going to be looking at he's going to be looking at interest rates depending on entirely on incoming economic information. So basically depending entirely on the data that we have coming out for him to cut rates. So basically he did not fold under President Trump. And that is pretty much it. And then so we don't have earnings tomorrow, of course. That is pretty much the data. Let's see what data we have coming out on Monday. We can just go over Monday's data real quick. So ISM manufacturing. I'm not sure how important ISM manufacturing, new orders, manufacturing prices. I'm not sure how important that is, but we'll see. We'll read more on that during the weekend. And as we know, Sunday we'll come out with the watch list. So we'll tell you guys what I figured out, and then we'll see what news comes out. And we'll see what more news we have. So right now I'm minus $42. Oh my goodness, that is stressful. Cause again, down here I was up over $100, over 100. But I really wanted to take out these lows. It started coming up against me. You could have been like, Devin, just take the profit. Yeah, I probably should have, because it's probably gonna bite me in the butt for not taking my profits. But at the same time, look at these equal lows. Look at these lows. I feel like they're going to get taken out, and that could bite me. Again, that could bite me in the butt, for not just taking my $100 profit. And then what else gave me more confirmation? Well, as you see, this big candle down right here. Let me just delete this real quick. This big candle down right here, right? This touched a 5-minute gap, right? So this touched a 5-minute fair value gap, right? Got bought up. Then when it got bought back up and gave that wick, it broke back down and broke that 5-minute fair value gap whip, right? So that's a strong bearish sign. It broke that fair value gap. So then I look at my 1 minute. Okay, it broke the 5-minute fair value gap. Now it touched the 1 minute fair value gap, right? As well as this, this is an order block right here. I mean, if we go to our 5-minute, this is an order block. This is an order block that created that whole trend. So that is true. Why? But what gave me strong signs is it broke that 5-minute fair value gap, came down, and it's using this 1 minute fair value gap. And so what I'm thinking is, if it broke the 5-minute fair value gap, the 5-minute fair value gap is going to be stronger than the 1 minute fair value gap. As we know, the bigger time frames are stronger than the little time frames, right? And so that's what I'm thinking. So if it broke the 5-minute fair value gap, it can, and there's no way this 1 minute fair value gap is just holding it up. You see what I'm saying? But at the same time, it broke that 5-minute fair value gap, because as we see, we had this 5-minute fair value gap with this strong 5-minute fair value gap. Let me just mark it out. Strong 5-minute fair value gap. We broke that, right? And then we go to our 1 minute. But at the same time, if I was going in for a call, right, I wouldn't have got in right here. I would have waited for this fair value gap, because during this whole trend, I was actually waiting for a pullback into this fair value gap, but we didn't get it. We just kept trending. And so that could be, this is part of the 5-minute fair value gap, but it broke that 5-minute fair value gap wick. You see, so it did touch it actually. As we see this wick, it did touch that 1 minute, and it broke it and came even deeper and touched the order block. So that's what I'm thinking. If the 5-minute broke, because it touched it already, if it broke that, then it's just giving a little struggle. There is no reason we shouldn't just break down and take these equal lows. You see what I'm saying? Do you guys see what I'm saying? So it broke the fair value gap wick, meaning that this fair value gap isn't holding up as good, because that means the sellers are in and they broke it down, but it did touch this order block, which is giving it some power up and giving it some fight. But as we know, liquidity, the market is magnet to liquidity. Okay, the market is a magnet to liquidity. Wherever equal highs, equal lows are at, as you see, we do have equal highs right here. So I mean, it could come all the way up, but I mean, we're in the downturn, right? So, and these equal lows are even closer, right? So I have strong conviction in these equal lows. I mean, it could bite me in the butt again, where me not taking my profits, because right now I'm break even. Right now we're break even right now. You see what I'm saying? So right now we're break even. So I mean, we could just close it and be minus just $90 on the day, still up on the week. But I have strong conviction in these lows, man. My stop loss is up here. Was up here. Why? On top of the wick that touched this strength candle that created this downturn, right? And we kept breaking down. So my stop loss was on top of there. And I have strong conviction in these equal lows, right? I got in up here. So that is going to be about a 4-to-1. And look, you guys, I'm hoping it breaks down. So I'm up $50 right now. Let's see if this is the time where we can just start breaking down. If we can get a breakdown right now, that is just perfect timing, because it seems like if it does do it, it seems like every time I hop on the video, you guys are good luck for me. You know what I'm saying? So let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. I broke down everything. I broke down why I was convicted in it, what I seen, why I was very confident in, why I didn't just take profits. So let's see what goes on. I've been in the trade since 10:25. It is 11:15. So let's see if my time in the market paid off. Let me see if me not taking profits right here paid off. Right now I'm up $90. I'm hoping if it breaks down here, I'd probably be up another 200. We're getting a wick. I'd probably be up another 200. But again, I'm not really worried about the money. I'm more worried about just getting the market right. You see what I'm saying? Just getting right. Just being right in the market. So right now we're up $100 again. up over $100. Oh man, baby. We're up some good money right now. We're up some good money right now. Up 115. We want to keep breaking down because if it broke this, now it should be in free fall. It should be in free fall now. The only thing holding it up is this support right here. But as we know, the market is a magnet to liquidity. So this support can hold up for a little bit, but this support already held up. So now I think it's coming to take it out. Because the first time I got caught in thinking we were going to take out the lows, but no, this support held up. But now that we're breaking back down, I don't think this support has a chance of holding up. I think this support is liquidity waiting to get taken. Let's see. Let's see what goes on, baby. We're hoping, man. I really don't want to finish the video till we get the winning trade, you know what I'm saying? And if we get this winning trade, that'll wipe out the $94 we lost earlier, and then it'll add on to our weekly win, and we'll be what? 3-1 on the week? So I mean, a positive ratio of winning and then a positive P&L. So I mean, that'd be pretty nice. You know what I'm saying? And I hope you guys see how I'm getting better as you guys are watching. I'm getting better with the trading as you guys are watching. Still making mistakes. Don't get me wrong. I made a mistake earlier with getting wicked back up. It's getting wicked back up. I'm up only $90 now. See what I'm saying? Just break, man. The market likes to get you an array of emotions because they want you to take profits early. They want to stop you out. They want to do all this extra. They want to get you into forcing trades, FOMOing out. The market is not easy, guys. The market is not easy. And I've, learned this over the year and almost half, or about a year and a half. Not even year and a half yet I've been trading. But over a year that I've been trading, I've learned how the market is not easy. They're not going to give you nothing easy, okay? So I'm just hoping we can just break, because look, we already broke down. They already did a lot of play, broke down again, and I'm just hoping now it can just take out these lows. I'm just hoping now, and if it takes out these lows, it's really, if it takes out these lows down here, I'm aiming at this low right here. Because it can stop at this one. But honestly, if it breaks down one, we're going to see what that candle's doing. Because if it breaks down one, it can come out and take this one. And then it will... I'm not going to be too over greedy and be like, oh, I want all of these. No, I mean, that's way too much. But I just want this low right here. And if we could take out this low, we're most likely going to come get this one. And I'm taking profits. I'm running away with my money. And I'm just hoping I can get it. Because as we see, it's looking like it's playing around again. I went from up $120 to now I'm only up $50. So let's see, my good people. Let's see if this pays off. There's another live trade. And guys, please let me know if you guys like the live trades because, I mean, this is pretty awesome. It seems like you guys are good luck. Every time I start the video, the market starts going my way. I wish it would go my way regardless. But let's see. Let's see what the market wants to do. Let's see if it wants to reward my patience. And, let's see what other stuff is coming out while we're here. Oh, man. Yeah, the market's not playing easy today. The market actually ain't been playing easy at all. So, yeah, so Trump did actually say that China violated agreement with U.S. Let's read that real quick. Oh, okay, yeah, we're breaking. We were up $120. It got wicked up again. So I can tell because I'm just looking at my position right now, and if it goes up a certain amount or down a certain amount, I can tell kind of where we're at. So if I see we're up 120, I got to go to the... Oh, yeah, we're up to 130. Oh, it's breaking. It's breaking. It's breaking. Oh, yeah. Come on, baby. Give me the lows. Give me the lows. Give me the lows, baby. Don't stop now. Don't stop now, baby. Oh, it's getting wicked. It's getting wicked up. Come on, baby. You right there to these lows. You right here. Oh, yeah. There ain't no stopping. There ain't no stopping this 5-minute candle. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. We're up 160 bucks. And keep in mind, this is only 2 contracts. Remember, it's only 2 contracts. I'm up 54% on my contracts. So remember, it's not really about the dollar amount. It's more about how much contracts you have and the percentage. Because I only put, I think, 270 bucks in for the 2 contracts. So I'm up 150 bucks. But imagine if I had $1,000 in the trade, I'd be up $500 because it'd be up 50% of my contracts. You see what I'm saying? So it's all about the contract size, about your position size, not necessarily just the dollar amount you're making, okay? Because, yeah, 150 bucks isn't much, but that is 57% of my contract. 63%, it's breaking. 63% of my contracts. So if I had $1,000 in, 60% of my $1,000. You see what I'm saying? If I had a $5,000 in, 60% of that 5,000. You see what I'm saying? And yeah, it's playing hard. It's playing hard. This support is holding up. It's holding up, but it's gonna break it. It's gonna break it. I'm already knowing. I don't want to risk giving back no profits, honestly. I don't want to risk this. I can't risk this much. I can't let it come back up against me, man. We're so close to these equal lows. I'd be mad if I just closed my contracts and it broke it. I'd be mad if I did that, but I'd be mad if I didn't take my profits. You see what I'm saying? So you see what we're kind of in right now? Let's see what we do. Let's see what we do. Come on, baby. Come on. I know you got a little bit more power. I know these sellers got a little more power. This is a magnet. Liquidity is a magnet. There is no way 1, 2, 3, 4. There is no way they hold it up that many times. There is no way y'all hold this up. There is no way, man. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Don't make me cry on camera. We're up 150 bucks. I could call it right now, made my loss back, and then made over 60 bucks. So I could call it right now. But I don't want to call it when I'm so close to my TP. I've committed to this already. I don't want to call it, you know what I'm saying? Because I've already committed to these lows. We're up 160, 165. Oh, yeah, we're up 170. We're up 170 bucks. Come on, baby. Break them. Break them. Break them, baby. Break them, baby. Minnie. I don't even have my special guest, Minnie, with me. I think she was good luck yesterday. She got me that big boom candles. I just need one of those boom candles again. One of them boom candles again. Give me a boom. It's stressing me out right now. Because we're so close to it. Oh, yeah, you're stressing me. I was up 170 bucks. Now I'm up 140. And I know you guys are saying, take your profits, Devin. I actually don't know what you're saying because we're so close to these lows. You guys could probably be saying, just stick with it. But I might have to take them, bro. I might have to take them. Come on. You're stressing me right now. It's getting a little late. I got to be at work a little early today. So, man, I really want to get this for you guys. Okay, we're coming back down. Let's see what we do. Let's see what we do. Come on, baby. We're right there, right? I know you guys are seeing there's no way we don't take out the lows. I know you guys are seeing it. So I know you guys aren't hating if it comes up a little against me and I lose a little bit of the profits because there is no way we don't take out these lows right here. There is no freaking way we don't. Right here, this close, there's no way y'all don't stop them out. There's no way. Oh yeah, we're up 180 bucks. We're breaking. We didn't break. We're just up 180 bucks. Look like we're about to break. Let's see what it does, baby. Let's see what it does, my good people. So this is a 4.2 to 1. Oh, we broke it. We broke it, baby. We broke the lows. Let's see if we can go a little further. Oh, we're breaking. We're breaking. We're breaking. Let's see how far we can go. Let's see if we can get these. We're right here. We got to get these. We got to get these, right? We got to get those, right? We have to get those. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. We're right here. There's no way we don't break those. There's no way we don't break those. Oh, we broke them. We broke them. We cashed out. We can't give them no profits back. We cashed out. We cashed out. We cashed out. We cashed out. Nah, I don't want to see it keep on falling. I ain't gonna lie. We cashed out. We cashed out, baby. What was that one? 296. 300 bucks. What they talking about? Oh my god, it's still falling. 300 bucks. What are they talking about? Who don't know how to trade? Who don't know how to oh my goodness. We're still falling. Oh, we're going to take out these lows now. Okay, we got bought up. We're going to take these lows out. There's no way we don't take this out. So we called it early. I'm not going to lie. We called it early. But we broke out these lows. So I was like, I didn't know if we were going to take these. I even said it. I was like, that is being over greedy. But we might just take out everything. Okay, I got to close this out for you, my good people. But just know, let's just say 200 bucks because we lost 94 the day. But this trade was a $300 winner. $300 off 2 contracts. I made over 100% on my contracts. Let's get it, good people. And what does that do? Because I come on here daily and I go over my trades on how I lose, how I win. So yesterday, I know how, I know why I called profits too early yesterday. Let's go over it. Why did I call profits too early? I wasn't looking because we had, I think, when was that? Okay, our downturn. Oh my God, it's still falling. I don't want it to fall no more because that means I missed over like 200 extra bucks. I'm not even gonna lie. If it keeps on falling, I missed like over 200 bucks. I could have been up way more if it keeps on falling. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I missed it. It's gonna take them out now. It's gonna take them out. It's gonna take them out, wick, and then start retreating. Because there's no way we just keep falling. I don't think it's. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Missing out on profits stresses you out so much as well. So okay, let me go over yesterday why I called my trade too early and why I know I called my trade too early. So I called this trade way too early yesterday. Why did I? So at first I wasn't looking, but I called it. Let me go to my 1 minute because I was my own. It's still falling, my good people. It's still falling. Let me hurry up because I do got to go. I'm not going to lie. I do got to go, my good people. So I called it way too early and there was easy. I'm trying to find it because I'm trying to find exactly. Okay, right here when we had this big boom, boom, boom. So this was easy liquidity to be grabbed. Easy liquidity. I wasn't paying attention. I got too profit happy. I got way too profit happy, and I probably just got too profit happy right now, honestly. But we got way too profit happy because we broke down, we broke these, and we kept breaking down. And remember, I called it up here. I finished my trade right here. And we were right here to these equal lows. So I should have knew it was going to grab these. I should have knew it, but I got too profit happy, and so I cut my winner short. Today, what did I do? When did I cut my winner? I actually cut my winner fairly good because, I mean, let me go back to my 5 minute. Oh, we did wicked. Oh, they did sweep them out. Yeah, we swept them out. So we called the winner up around here. So we missed out on about extra 200 bucks. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, another extra 200, probably more if it keeps on dropping. We missed out on some more money. Yeah, we missed out on a lot more money. Oh my goodness. I can't believe that. Oh my God, I can't believe that. So, I mean, we took out these lows. I thought we were going to stop somewhere around here, but we just took those out, and we're still falling. Oh, my God. Oh, my goodness. And you could say, Devin, why don't you hop back in? I actually don't have no more. My money is locked up right now. And then I don't have much buying power in my thing. If you guys can see, I only have 50 bucks in my buying power. And you don't want to just trend chase because at any moment this thing could wake up, because it's falling. And I'm not gonna lie, at any moment it could wake up and stop this downturn. So the best thing would have been to just write it down and break these lows. And man, I would have been up another 200 bucks. Yeah, I'd be up probably 400 bucks, honestly. I was already up. I'm already up 300 bucks. So I'd be up almost probably 600 bucks right now. Oh my goodness. But I got to go, my good people. So we made 300 bucks live trade. I hope you guys love these because that is pretty cool. You guys are good luck. I might actually have to get on here every time I trade, okay? So I love every single one of y'all with me. Thank you all for staying with the journey. And remember, guys, stay persistent, passionate, and make sure y'all get paid, all right? Peace.